In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Forms confirmation message all in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by heading over to Google Drive. You can access Google Drive by typing the URL into your browser or by clicking the Drive icon if it's saved in your bookmarks. Once there, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll see the Apps icon. Click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu featuring various Google applications. Here you want to click on Forms. Opening Google Forms brings you to a hub of all your existing forms. Find the form for which you'd like to customize the confirmation message and click on it to open. With your form open, look towards the top of the window where you'll notice several tabs. Click on Settings. This tab is key to making all your adjustments. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see multiple options on the left. Locate the Presentation section and click on it. It's within this section that you'll find the field labeled Confirmation Message. By default, Google Forms offers a basic confirmation message for respondents. However, customizing this message allows you to personalize the experience. Go ahead and click on the Edit button next to the default message. This will open up a text box where you can type in your customized message. Take your time to craft a message that is both informative and engaging. Perhaps you want to thank your respondents for their input or provide them with a summary of the next steps they might need to take. Remember, your message can be as detailed or as concise as you feel is necessary for your audience. After typing your personalized message, locate the Save button at the bottom of that section. Click on it to ensure all your changes are stored, and there you have it. You've successfully customized the confirmation message for your Google form. By taking these few steps, you've enhanced user engagement, providing a tailored experience that reflects your style or your organization's branding. Experiment with different messages to see what resonates most with your audience, and feel free to come back and make adjustments anytime you need. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in customizing your forms. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tips on maximizing the potential of your digital tools. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep creating.